morning. Welcome back to Tulposa family. Today I'm going out with my friend. We are not sure which mall we're gonna go. So we will go to one of the mall or stores. So just having our day, us day. Alrighty. So out of the winners, and we are having Timmy's, and we just finished muffin. Okay, I had a great busy day with my friend. We did lots of shopping, Formula's shopping and my shopping. We did lots of shopping, spent a lot of money. Jobless, spending a lot of money. Not a jobless. Yeah, weather is kind of gloomy. I think it's raining a little bit because I see people with umbrella. But we are having our day. We're enjoying. We came to downtown like this side after a very long time, and anybody who's thinking about taking the Queen Street streetcar, it's still under construction. It's been under construction for forever. Still under construction. So we came all the way down to Richmond and Yonge, and now we're waiting for the streetcar. I think it's almost here, but we're not sure if this will take us down to Parkdale. Let's see. Already, yeah, I'm kind of tired. And then train back. We are at Mandra. After the shopping, we need some yummy food and delicious drinks. Already, we are back at Mantra. We ordered our food. Now, Omala wants to get something else because everything looks delicious. Everything looks good. I got delicious cham. Refreshing. We are having mommy's day out today. Cái nấm kia đi đánh ra đây để xé gấu vậy. Xé gấu vậy. Rồi, như này mấy này. Cái sao vậy? Cái gang là đánh ra được trông đi ra, không cái mà.
Mà cái sao chỉ lưu ý cái 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 gì đó, sao phải là đánh ra rồi phải gấu.
Oh, Piro alu, oh my god, cái ông tôi chỉ bao được. 어디 버렸다. Oh my god. 바로 스페인 정부에는 처음 뵀었잖아. Really? This being big grocery. Oh my god.
So we'll be giving
알루더라. 알루따.
준비다.
가서는 좀 줘라. 얘들아. 비로 알루. Oh my god. 준비돼. 나중에 이 강이라 first actual meal이라 주스 좀 봐. 7 p.m.이라 나중에
이렇게 먹으려
말해 저것도니 망봉하라 던질 진 삼아 되지요. 이렇게 자기는 삼서 저는 나중에 망봉하라.
혹시 숲 씻는데
엄마가 결혼 숲 돈도 안 가는데 this is my soup. Tanya kira taring dah.
Matungnya
Alcoholic alu tu tayar.
Beli cuma ni kan cuma
You really wanna go for more? Are you sure? Why? Halal hamalan kilo pack che yora. Ay kya ngana nga ni. Amale ngana nga kya hamalan kilo yora ni. Oh my god, this is sounds Sukuti. Sukuti lesra. Oh my gosh, no ala. Nepal style lunch. Gang chung lo di le. Camera liam shi den wo a. Sukuti de. Sukuti looks good. Ay, sukuti this lu imba. Ay ngi. Alu la marza jangu ina. Chao do sar la sa. Marza jangu lesse. So, Sukuti ke gola ra. Ko marza in baro ta marza ga di end di ni ye.
Tasty shoes ta.
जो के गई नहीं जो भी करे ना रुको समझ भी करे हाँ तो किन्नी नहीं जो स्टोन ये रहा कैल्शियम की स्टोन ये लसा डॉक्टर के कैल्शियम मसाला दी दिजुर दा ना पमुच हो बोले तो थे बा इमेज 제가 단도 보죠 कैल्शियम 사고 마다 엄마 둥고 말이라 제가 엄마 장모를 못 해도 거야 엄마 둥고 말에 스피니시 사고 말에 야 디시니 Pimurusu get or the ankle market share to one the joy structure. Yon jigger has pneumatic structure. You couldn't sing after learning.
There's not much wood again.
How down the structure near? It's a number much language and then she Angela Carol and Lucius.
Oh, she know.
So, my god, that John Momeless, I did that. I can't get a much peasant. Ngara di namgini nga Nepali che khala gawya newari khala pe gawya andi jol momo dida enjoy chenda already ngara jol momo sayanda alat
제가 딱 같이 링에 농도만 걸린다.
너 차오르다 뭐 먹을라 아니 다니야 this mountain is right 가장 속에 이거는 좋은데 예의 좀 줬어 아프고 튄데도 가라
좀 뭐지와 어디 뭐들이 티 충시게 더블 베겨 뭐 추기 참라 중니 스테나
얘네 뭐 춘주스에라 내가 망하라 Okay, I had a great time with Wangmo. We had delicious food in Manpa and we had a nice shopping day together.
Several days later.
Hello, there's Tlay. Okay, I just wanted to do small haul for the stuff that I bought at the Winners and H&M. We did went to other stores, but I didn't really get anything there. So here we go. First, I got PlayStation cap for kids. I kind of like the color, not too bright, and the basically it's PS it's a PlayStation cap. My boys these days, they don't really wear just anything that I buy, so I think they might like it and wear it. One gray and one black. PS PlayStation cap, and same with the top. I got PlayStation top. Says PlayStation at the back, and these are the caps and the t-shirts. They're from H&M. And the next stop I have shirts for Kesala. So first I got this shirt. It's a Star Wars shirt. This one is extra large, but it's not that big. Maybe it's like a regular fit. And I paid $16.99, so 17 bucks. Okay. And the next one is just plain with the very minimal print, large size, and this one is 15 bucks. And the next one is, I kind of like this one. I like the color, the quality, and the print as well. And this is large size. So the price is 20 bucks, 19.99. Okay. And this shirt, it's extra large, just plain red shirt from Champion. I thought this will be ideal for like Canada Day, or if there is some sort of Christmas party or anything, then it's like red. And price is very good, 10 bucks. And now that's it for daddy. Now mommy's turn. Mommy got first this top. It's kind of like shirt dress. I love how it has pockets, half sleeve. I'm not too fond of like ruffles, but I just love the color. I like pastel colors, so I love the color and the print. So it's a shirt dress. And this is, surprisingly, it's a large size. Large size. Okay. I don't know, where is the tag? Did I take it off? The tag is off. I don't remember taking it off. But I'll check the price on the receipt. And I think I paid 35, I think. I'll check. And yeah, button closure. And the next top, dress. Short sleeve.
pocket button closure, and this is maxi dress. It has the waist tie thing, which I probably won't use it. Yeah, I probably won't use it. So this is 1X size, and I paid $40. And I love it. I did not really love the pattern. I like the color, but not the pattern. But it's okay. It's okay. The pattern is not a deal breaker. Now the last one I have is a red dress with 2 pockets, short sleeve, and the bottom is kind of funny, kind of like a balloon style. And I was actually debating because of the bottom if I should get it or not. I love the top part, not the bottom. But Wangmo, she insisted. She said it's really nice. So of course I'll listen to her. Got it, and the size is 0X. And this one, I think it's somewhere around 30 something bucks. I took the tag off already because I wore it once. So I'll check the receipt and I'll check the price with those two. So yeah, so the red one I think is $39.99, and the shirt dress, it's $34.99. And I got some pillowcase for household. This is regular, like 100% cotton. I paid $13. Same, it's same, just different pattern. $12.99, $13. And this one, cotton, $13. So I like the color. I like the colors. And the last one, last but not least, I got mini face towel. This one just $8. Again, I like the color, and it's really soft. And this is the haul. This is what I shopped. I also got a pack of socks for boys, which they're already using it, so it's not in my haul. So I did get like a pack of socks for them. So this is it. This is what I shopped while I was out and about with Wangmo. And it's a mini haul, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Alrighty, thank you so much. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching till the end. And I'm gonna end this video here today. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you to all our viewers and all of our subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. We will really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you on next video. Till then, bye.